time, Ben, from Maybe Autism is My Superpower. I have a question about spinning from someone.
Yeah, a lot of people actually have been asking you, do you still spin, or have you ever spun around? Did you spin in circles?
Spin in circles.
I think it's very common with kids with autism to do a lot of spinning, and they wanted to know if you remember spinning or if you're still spinning now, okay? So do you remember spinning?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what were some ways that you would spin?
Twisting the swing.
Yeah, you would twist the swing a lot.
And using the dizzy disc.
Right. So first let's talk about the swing. You would twist the swing a lot, and then what would happen when you would stop twisting?
I would spin fast and fast.
Yes. And then we did have something called what?
A dizzy disc.
And what is a dizzy disc like?
It spins. It's like a disc, only it's a toy.
It's like a sit and spin without the middle part, and you just sit on it, and you were able to spin yourself, and you would whip really, really fast on that, right? Yeah, so those are some ways you would spin. And sometimes you would just stand in the middle of the floor and spin yourself around. So I have a question for you that's important. Were you dizzy when you were spinning?
No, it took me a long time.
Took a long time to feel dizzy? Yes. And that's because kids with autism are still developing their nervous system. Do you know the name of the system that controls balance and dizziness? Do you know it?
It's vespida.
Close. Vestibular.
Vestibula.
Yeah. And where is it?
In the ear.
Yeah, and it controls balance. And a lot of times kids with autism are still developing their nervous system. They need to organize and mature their nervous system. And the spinning helps a lot. It helps them a lot. They need that dizzying input. So you said it took you a long time to feel dizzy.
Long time to feel dizzy.
Right, so did you enjoy spinning?
Yes.
Do you spin now?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, but not as much.
But not as much.
Right. Okay, so if kids with autism that are watching this page, or parents of kids with autism, have a child that's spinning a lot, what would you tell them?
It's good.
Yeah, it is good. It is okay. And their bodies are craving this stimulation for their nervous system to organize and mature, and that is okay. But it's important to find a safe place to do your spinning. So what would some recommendations be?
Dizzy disc or swing.
Yeah, maybe on a swing or a dizzy disc. Dizzy disc is great if parents have not seen one. It's like a sit and spin, and it's safe, and children can sit on there and get some spinning action. And as long as the room is safe for spinning, it's really some type of input that they need. And as they get older, Ben, what happens?
They don't spin anymore.
Do you spin?
Not all the time.
Sometimes still, though. And it's
good.
It's good. It is A-okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoy. Goodbye. And don't forget, autism is a superpower.
Yes, it is. Have a good day.